Hello everyone, in today's episode I will be reviewing Tascam's latest product, the Tascam Portacapture X8. A beautiful handheld recorder with touchscreen, 6 inputs and 32-bit float recording. Let's have a look. The Portacapture X8 is equipped with 4 high-quality XLR inputs, 2 detachable mics and a broad touchscreen interface. I've been testing this out for a while now, using it in various settings, and I'll walk you through some recording samples and my thought on its functionality. The detachable mics allow for different configuration. I found this especially useful when I wanted to switch between capturing field recording presets like nature, birds and building indoors. Tailor audio settings for specific environment. Each mode adjusts peak sensitivity, EQ and dynamic range to best capture the unique soundscape. For example, nature enhance ambient, soft sounds reducing background noise, birds boost mid to high frequencies to capture birds called clearly, building indoors minimize reverb, making footsteps and voices indoor sound clearer. Navigating through settings is smooth, and you can adjust level or switch recording modes quickly, which is essential when you're in an unpredictable recording environment. The device supports high-quality 32-bit float recording, so you get a lot of dynamic range, which means even loud sounds don't distort and softer sound don't get lost. I will take this recorder out to capture some natural sound, including wave crashing, people chatting, and gauze vibrating ambient noise. The depth and clarity are impressive, and you can feel the detail and presence in each recording. As per tradition in my channel, I will go out and record those sounds, and I will try to compose some music using the sounds of what the Portacapture can record. Now, no device is perfect. One thing to take note is the battery life. It's good, but you might want to keep some spares or use a portable USB-C charger if you're doing long recordings. The touchscreen can be also tricky to see in bright sunlight, so if you're outdoors, keep that in mind. Okay, so here we have our X11, and as you can see here, I was recording my voice and purposely distorted everything. I mean, you can just tell by looking at the waveform, it's been completely squashed. So let's just listen.
Okay, so now I am shouting at the microphone. The settings it's on the maximum gain, and I can also hear on the headphones that the voice is distorted. It's been smashed up.
Okay, so now let's take the gain and let's lower this to minus 10 dB. And let's listen now again.
Okay, so now I am shouting at the microphone. The settings it's on the maximum gain, and I can also hear on the headphones that the voice is distorted. It's been smashed up.
So this is extremely good. I was able to retain and lower the voice without distortion. So 32-bit float on the Tascam X8, it's working very good. So is the Portacapture X8 the right choice for you? Well, it depends, of course, on how you plan to use it. In my case, as a field recordist, I capture a lot of ambient sounds, nature, cityscapes, foley and voiceover on the go. Having everything integrated in one device, it's really convenient. And the addition of 32-bit float, it's a valuable feature. But I want to address the market hype surrounding it here. While 32-bit float can indeed be useful, 24-bit already offers high-quality audio. Of course, the main appeal of 32-bit float is that it prevents audio clipping, allowing you to recover distorted sound in post-production, theoretically. I noticed that while the Portacapture X8 supports 32-bit float, its performance in this mode isn't always flawless. For example, when recording loud sound like concert, 32-bit float on the Tascam provides the digital headroom, so files won't clip in the post. However, the preamps and mix have physical limits. If these are exceeded, they can introduce analog distortion that can be fixed later, even in 32-bit float. Also, apart of this, relying on 32-bit float all the time can discourage users from learning proper gain staging. Recording in 32-bit float without understanding gain staging is like a photographer relying solely on auto settings, missing out the artistry of framing, lighting, and depth of control. A sound recordist that depends on 32-bit float all the time risk of losing the finesse and the control that comes with mastering the equipment. As for the Portacapture preamps, they are really excellent with very low floor noise and really good quality recording. And if you plan to record outdoors, don't forget your windscreen, which is not coming with the Portacapture. You just have to get it separately for $25. I will include the link in the description for this one that I have. So that's the end of the review. I hope you found it useful, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing for more content like this, and leave a comment with your thoughts on the Portacapture X8. And until then, see you on the next one.